I bought my first hot hatch, and by the end of this video, it'll be completely transformed. We're throwing mechanical and aesthetic mods at my new car to make it my own. If you haven't seen it before, this is my brand new car, a Mercedes A35 AMG. 306 horsepower, all-wheel drive, launch control. I love it, but we can do better, so we're gonna modify it. My toy box today consists of a carbon intake from Venturi, a set of wheels, eye-back lowering springs from Motec, and a sports exhaust system from Scorpion. After these mods, we'll be sending the car off for its biggest change and the one I'm most excited for. But for now, let's get some fresh bits installed. Right, come on, Lewis. You are my helper for the day. What would you like to start with?
Let's start with springs, I think.
Okay, front or back?
I'm going to say back, but which ones are the back? See if it's big or small.
Now, I would say big.
Why?
Just feels right.
No, small.
Okay, brilliant.
Let's
Good
go.
start.
At least I know more than you today.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that. We'll see.
Now, obviously, because I am a perfect mechanic, got my own toolbox.
I know for a fact that that's Mike Fernie's toolbox.
Yeah,
and
well,
I know for a fact that he's not let you borrow that.
Yeah, cheers, thanks, Mike.
That's really not good. Okay. To take out the rear springs, we had to undo a few bolts, take the shock off, drop the arm down, pop the spring out and put the new one in. This should be super simple.
Yeah.
You just snapped it! Why? For everything you break on my car,
Yeah.
I break one thing on your car.
Things break because they're not made to be changed. They're made to stay as they are.
You just ripped it out without squeezing the
but
thing.
That's things that happen.
It's not the car's fault.
Yeah, but
it's literally yours. I saw you do it. We continued to get the first spring out, but I was getting increasingly worried about damaging my car. Lewis, I'm really confused as to what you want me to do here.
The spring's just going to come loose, that's all. Ready?
It's going to fall off the thingy.
That's okay, let's just go hang there now. Let me go like this. Spring out. Really wasn't that scary.
I think it's just because it's my car. It's making me feel a bit sick.
It's really not that scary.
Every single thing is making me upset.
So we've got to say a big thanks to Motec for supplying us our eye-back springs.
Posh springs.
They are the same, but these were just compressed more to make it lower.
So they're better.
Yeah.
Cool.
But how easy was that? Just to pop that spring out.
I don't know if it was easy.
Well, it's easy when you have all the right tools.
Yeah. Well, a workman always blames his tools.
Exactly.
Okay, let's
so now
go.
we're gonna put it back in.
Go in, you. I'm not sure about that.
I just need a little bit of gentle persuasion.
But that's my favourite tool, but not on my own car.
One done.
Yay.
See?
Okay, that actually wasn't that bad.
It's easy.
Lewis has already broken my car.
I haven't.
Yeah, he has.
It's the
qualified mechanic.
It's the clips,
Snapped-
though, isn't it? It's the
snapped
clips.
It's ruined it.
Yeah, I know.
I know you're going to map it and...
Yeah.
Right.
But not today.
Okay.
We're not machines. We can't do it all in a day.
Okay. You're not doing anything.
I'm ready. After a quick visit from the boss, we cracked on with the other rear spring.
It's off.
Saw that.
Back, lowered,
Yes.
done. Now I've got to do the fronts.
Is that?
It's a little bit harder.
Okay.
But do you have a little bit more faith in me now?
This much.
All right.
Okay, let's do it.
See what we could do.
Now, even I knew there's a lot more to take off on the front, so I didn't think it would be as easy as Lewis suggested. Ow!
You okay?
That hurts.
Are you
It
okay?
is now loose.
Are you
You
okay?
don't injure your fellow mechanic, yeah?
Let's see if that's enough. Oh.
What's going on?
Just triple checking.
You're having a Google.
No, I think it's right. It is right. I'm just checking I'm not
I
missing
don't
it.
think I enjoy that you're using Google. This is not filling me with confidence,
Oh,
Lewis.
well, it doesn't help me, does it? It doesn't see him take it out.
Why don't you ask one of the mechanics that lives here? Not lives,
This works here?
works here.
Well, because I do want to do it.
No, and I appreciate that. I just want a car that works.
Get this date in your diary. August the 30th, 2025, DriveTribe Live at Bicester Heritage. If you want to meet me and the rest of the DriveTribe team, get your tickets through the link in the description below.
We got some advice from the cogs and it turned out we'd done it completely wrong, so we reset and got some extra hands to help.
Yes!
Well, we're not doing that again.
Yay! Woo! With one side out, it was rinse and repeat. It's proving to be a little bit more difficult than we anticipated. We've enlisted the help of several smallest cog mechanics who are just getting the job done nice and smoothly. Yeah, the fronts are a little bit harder than the backs, but we're nearly there, and it's all gonna be okay.
Yours.
Yay, thank you so much.
Another one down.
With both sides out, we then swapped over the springs using a spring compressor and put the new ones on the car.
So, that mammoth task is done.
That was a lot.
That was a lot.
Okay, next.
Next, air intake. Now this is going to be a pretty bit.
This is pretty.
So we're changing this, all of this, to carbon fibre.
And why are we doing that?
To give the car better airflow. If you look at this pipe here, there's lots of different divots for the air to sit when it comes round.
Right.
And this one is beautifully smooth. And it's got heat protection, everything. So you're literally, airflow to the max.
And that will make it quicker.
Make it quicker, but also the sound that this is going to make. Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Do you want me to just sort of move this out of the way a little bit?
There's a feather in there.
It's from the dead pigeon. Don't, please don't. I didn't mean to kill it.
That's from when you killed
Stop
the pigeon.
I cried when I did it.
It made it inside the car.
I cried when I did it. It was horrible. Please don't make me relive it.
Yes!
That is so beautiful. Like when you look at it next to that.
Like that.
Thank you, Venturi people. Okay.
Now, why wasn't it that easy to pick out?
Oh, I love these little clicky things.
So insert her in, yes?
So
that goes underneath. That's it, like that.
Okay, intake done.
We've done it.
Now for some even more noise.
Yes, exhaust. So we've got scorpion exhaust here.
This looks like a massive job.
It's not that bad. It's basically get the old one off and put it together in pieces.
Put the new one on.
Yeah. How hard can it be?
Oh, just turny, yeah? Oh no, she's fine. She's loose. Great job. Is it on loosen?
No, other way. Got arrows on the handles.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, go. Oh yeah, watch your eyes.
After detaching the exhaust, it was time to carefully lift it down.
Okay.
Now what?
Do you want to lift lift that end and walk that way?
Guys, it's on the thing.
Ready? Go to the, that's it. And down. Hey! Let's get the new back box on, hey?
Why don't they want to meet each other?
We're nearly done.
Yeah.
All we've got to do,
I'm so glad for us to be done.
bulk check it, and then we can take it out for a drive.
Right, well, do you want me to start tightening these?
Yeah. You know, I was explaining to you the arrows on the gun, yeah?
Why so many little tiny bits? That's pretty tight.
Exhaust.
Done.
Tick.
Easy. Brand new wheels, baby. They look very sporty.
Yeah, very sporty. Motec supplied us these.
Thank you,
so
Motec.
Motec wheels. They're their own type of wheels, so it's great.
Yeah, it's cool.
They're, should we get them on?
Yeah, let's do it.
Do you want to lower the ramp?
Okay.
And I'll stick some on.
Sure. We modified my L322, now we're modifying my A35, and Bamboo Lab, the sponsor of today's video, is back again with some convenient touches to add to my car. They provided us with their X1 carbon 3D printer to create all of these bits and pieces. The printer is super easy to use. You pick an item, click print, and off it goes. In no time at all, you'll have a 3D printed component for your car. The X1C is compatible with a wide range of high-performance filaments using an automatic material system, or AMS, to nail builds just like these. I'm often tasked with carrying about big heavy boxes of car parts in the back of my car. Now that sets off the seatbelt bleeps. I've got this handy little tool, Mercedes spec, that you can pop into the seatbelt like that to stop it from bleeping. Now, I've already got a pretty impressive spoiler on the back of this car, but I thought a teeny tiny one on top might double the downforce. So we're just gonna stick that there. Perfect. I've even made my own custom AMG keyring to pop on my keys, just to remind everyone that I have an AMG car. You may remember last time I did the crew a solid and printed them a trucker knob for the crew van. Well, this time I've hooked them up with this nifty lunch tray so they can eat in style whilst on a shoot. And not only that, the guys are often out filming in the unpredictable British weather, and having rain jackets and high vis is always essential. So I printed these little coat hooks for them. Now don't say I don't do anything for the crew. Thanks to Bamboo Lab for sponsoring today's video. Now let's crack on with the rest of the mods. We now just had to put the wheels on, lower the ramp to see the ride height, and then finally get to hear what it sounded like.
Done.
Pretty cool wheels.
Wheels on, yeah? Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's.
Is that a proper fancy one, is it?
They're good tyres.
Better than yours.
Yeah, so thank you very much to Michelin for the tyres.
Thank you, Michelin. That's very nice of you.
Should we lower her down and start her up?
Yeah. I'm excited.
Let's do it. Here we go. The lowering springs, don't forget, it was quite a long time we put them on. Long time ago, so.
I'm really scared.
Why are you scared? I swear it all just falls off.
Yeah, what if it just falls on the floor? She's low.
She's lower, definitely. You ready? Ready?
I think so. Ooh. Yeah, that does. That is quite cool.
Should we take it out?
Yeah.
Come on then.
Yeah.
That's quite cool, yeah?
Yeah.
Change down. Change down another one. Go.
Whoa! It sounds like literal gunshots.
Exhaust, done. Intake,
done.
Wheels,
done.
suspension,
Done.
Now for the big thing.
Now for my favourite part.
The colour.
We're changing colour. With Corey, the owner of Wrap Capital, helping me out, they bravely said I could wrap the first panel, but not before adding a little embossment sticker to the car.
I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. Yeah, first time.
It's not done yet. Don't jinx it. I'm a pro.
Right, so that's halfway done.
Yes.
Time to add a bit of colour.
Is that it?
Pretty much. That's it. Can you just pull the backing paper off now?
Just pull it straight off?
Yep, straight off. There you go.
Oh, it does get quite hot on the finger, doesn't it?
This is the trickiest part. I usually say this is the hardest part to master when wrapping, because anything else you do with vinyl, if you make a mistake, usually you can lift it up, heat it, go again, because it will reset. Once you've cut something, you've cut it. Okay?
But if I scratch my own car, doesn't matter. My car.
Yep.
I did it on purpose.
We won't scratch your car.
But if I do, it's fine.
You might do.
Now, I'm thinking I just... I'm thinking I just go like that and I just go like that.
Yeah.
Why was yours so straight and mine's wiggly like a worm?
go.
Well, the thing is, I messed up on this side, so there's not actually that much stuff. So I could probably just nip it round.
Yeah.
Oh, see, it doesn't have to be perfect. You know, it adds character. There's a bit of a lip in it. But it does say your name.
It does.
So people will
So maybe
think
we'll have to put like a little asterisk there.
yeah,
So
we didn't do this.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. I
You're
think
very
I've
welcome.
proved I'm pretty good at rapping.
You surprised me. I'll leave a job vacancy open for you just in case.
Well, thanks so much. I'm going to leave you guys to get on with it, if that's okay.
Yep, we'll get cracking and we'll meet you at the reveal.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
By the way, we've just bagged a whole new stock of Drive Tribe hoodies and t-shirts, so grab some merch through the link in the description below.
We're here at Caffeine and Machine, who have kindly lent us their lovely showroom for the big reveal. Now, I haven't seen my car since it's had its modifications and the wrap. I've been told it's looking pretty cool. I'm nervous, and what makes it even worse is I've got a whole crowd of people here waiting to see it too. So let's get on with it. Here is my brand new modified A35.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Oh. Yeah, I love
That
it.
is cool.
I love it.
That is
I love
cool.
it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's sick.
Happy?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God for that. What's wrong with you?
That's cool.
And yeah, happy?
Yeah,
'Cause
that
it's-
colour is sick.
So, what screen?
Yeah.
Mercedes A35.
I love it.
First thoughts?
I absolutely love it.
Good.
I can't believe this is the same car.
Thank God.
You've been a bit stressed.
I have, because if you didn't like it, like, nah.
Yeah.
It's like, because
But also, it's really difficult with a wrap because you never see, like,
no.
I've never seen a full car.
it's
I just
good.
think it brings out the,
it's
like the
the-
black bit so
It's the
well.
little things that Corey's done here that are like, so like this was paint colour, but he's put it in black just to break it up that little
Oh,
bit more, give it
fun.
that more aggressive look. Like this here, this touch he's put in here.
That's so
embossing that in.
cool.
It's great, isn't it?
But that's the whole thing about like the modified cars.
Yeah.
Like there is nothing that
Yeah.
looks like this now.
No, but this again, this is what
Yeah.
you wrapped this.
I did this.
And then the aggressive rear end, smoked rear lights.
Yeah, that looks so good from the back.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty happy with it now.
Yeah. Phase 1 complete.
Definitely. But there's
Yeah.
a couple of little bits and bobs I
Okay,
want to do.
Go on.
Obviously, I want to tune it. I want to
Yeah,
map it. So
yeah,
it's
make it fast.
really quick.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to get some carbon fibre on it.
Okay.
So I'm thinking like, you see all my funny little
Oh,
bits
the
and
canyards and
bobs?
stuff, so we're gonna get carbon.
A little bit of carbon.
Nice, yeah.
Maybe even the wheel as well, steering wheel, a bit carbon.
Oh, carbon steering wheel. Yeah,
Just a-
cool.
Just
cool.
a little bit.
Very cool.
And then I want to paint calipers.
What colour?
I'm thinking a red.
Ooh, like a nice
dark,
deep
like a
red.
really dark, deep
Yeah,
red.
nice, nice.
Quite sporty.
Yeah, very cool. Can even match the badge.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
That
Bring
colour
that
there.
out a little bit.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Should we take him for a spin?
Do you want the keys?
Yes, please.
Sure?
Whoa!
Sure?
Please,
Sure.
please, may I have my car
There you
back?
go.
Thank you
Very
so
good.
much.